I'm going to use a pine cone, a little wooden ball, and some felt to make a little pinecone person or gnome. Out of felt, I cut what will become the scarf, the hat, and the little shoes. I started by hot gluing the wooden ball on top of the pine cone. I made sure to put lots of glue so that the ball won't fall off. I then hot glued the hat together. Once the glue dried, I turned the hat inside out. This way I could hide the seam and give the hat a more finished look. I hot glued the feet onto the pine cone. Next, I tied the scarf in place and attached it with some glue. I then cut some fringe into the ends of the scarf. To make the little eyes, I ended up trying marker and paint. The marker did bleed a little bit into the wood, so the paint might be a better option. You can make these in a variety of colors. Their hats can be different than their scarves. You could just give these so many different looks with their facial expressions and what they're wearing. This is super easy and they're super cute.